I'm dirty. Da, da. I'm gonna die of embarrassment. That hot guy was looking at me. Let's go. I wonder what it's like to be loved by. I'm so lonely. Hey, it's Karen. Welcome to my channel where my only hope today is to make you smile. We do reactions a little different here. It gets weird. It gets a loud. But most of all, we have a lot of fun. So please join our beautiful family by clicking on the subscribe button. Also, follow our Discord. It's getting juicy there. And the drama's getting insane. It's really fun for me, and it's really fun for everybody. So join, let your friends join. It's a party out there. So anyway, watch my music video. Thank me for 3K. Let's get to 4K. It's so weird. I just finished taking a nap, so I'm kind of getting out of it. I'm trying to be loud. Okay, so I'm going to be watching Stray Kids Honduras. That's what I'm doing today. So if you guys want to see more Stray Kids videos, you need to tell me what to watch, and maybe I'm gonna choose like the funniest comment or the coolest comment. I'm gonna pin it. I don't know if that's something you guys would like, but I'm gonna do that, so tell me if you like that idea. Let's go! Ana, do, set. Oh, it's cartoons. An anime. Oh! These guys never play around. Oh my god. Hey, hold on, look at the hair, look at the hair, look at the hair, look at the... Woo! These guys always bring too much fire. So cool. I love this concept. Oh my god. He should act. That drop! That drop! Yo! I swear Stray Kids never play around. Their videos always next level. I need water. Hey, I love how they go from hard to kind of smooth. Your attempt to look cute, cool is just cute. Like, are you kidding me? Like the lyrics, everything bangs so freaking hard. The whole concept is, oh, look how cool this is. Oh. Hey. I'm dirty. Da, da. Oh, what a transition. Look at that, look at that. That's so dope. I see Celine, I say Chanel. Stylish men. I love the message behind this. Oh, did you see that eagle? keep on talking. We don't play. This is so hype, yo. This is so... Stray Kids just comes with it. Just comes with it all the time. So guys, please, before I was really interrupted by my memory being full, if you are Stray fan, please, I'm begging you, okay. I'm begging you to please put some more recommendations in here, and also put like some of the like the funny stuff, like you know, the meme videos and stuff. That's how I really get to know their names. I with guides I forget immediately, but when I get to see each person's personality and stuff, I'm like, oh, that's this guy. Oh, there's that guy with the deep voice, and I really want to get to know them because they just chill it so much. Anyway, I love you guys so much. The video is over. Mwah.